Hey guys, what's up? Black Frost here. I'll be showing you how to restore your iPod if it crashes on you. Mine just crashed on me, so I will be making this video over it. So first, what you're going to want to do is when you see this screen, the little cable with the iTunes symbol, you need to plug your Apple charger into it. And then come over here, and a message should pop up on your iTunes. iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery. You must restore this iPod before it can be used in iTunes. So you need to hit OK, and then let me make this bigger. Right here where it says restore, click restore. And it's gonna give you this message saying that it's gonna erase everything and update it so you can get back to your iPod. So just hit OK, and it's gonna extract the software. It's gonna be a while, but preparing iPod for restore. So now your iPod has changed focuses, and it's back to the Apple symbol, which is good. And there's a little, and there it goes. It's loading the software, or the firmware, sorry. Now we just gotta let it load up. This video is kind of similar to my downgrading 4.21 to 4.1, but it's restoring, so it helps. Like I was on Cydia, and I downloaded this app, and like I clicked on it, and my iPod just it locked down on me, and it wouldn't do whatever. So I turned it off, and I turned it back on, and it gave me the sign. So I was like, oh dang. And so now I'm making the video on how to restore your iPod. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get all my stuff, or apps and themes and all that, and music back on here. I'll make some videos tonight over that too, how to get music and jailbreak your iPod and stuff like that. This is gonna take about, I don't know, like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes matters. So let's come back up here, and it says restoring iPod software, and your iTunes page should look like this right now. You should just have the iPod thing right there. So it's almost done. Verifying iPod software. So it's gonna put that, or the firmware, onto your iPod again. It's moving fairly quickly, and it's verifying iPod restore. I'm not using IC, I'm just using Cydia. I'm not using Rock or IC. I wouldn't recommend those either. Those are like worse than Cydia. They're still trying to fix some bugs out of Cydia, but I mean, it lasted me 2 months, so I don't mind getting all of it back. So here, your iPod should look like this. The loading bar complete. And there's our little Apple symbol. Let it load up. And there's another loading bar. Nope, it went away. Connect to iTunes again. And we come over here, accessing iTunes Store. This should pop up. Set up your iPod. The computer is previously synced with an iPod or other OS. You can either set it up as a new iPod or restore from your previous backup. So I'll just go back to my iPod. So just hit continue. And this should pop up. Restore an iPod from backup. And then your iPod screen, see the little battery, and restore in progress. So it should be doing this, restoring iPod from backup. This long video, I'm sorry guys, but I don't feel like editing again, so. And now a message will pop up saying the settings of your iPod has been restored. Please leave your iPod connected. It will appear in iTunes window after it restarts. So it's gonna look like this. It's not doing anything on my screen, so I guess it's just rebooting itself. Oh wait, see what's going on. And there it goes. Firmware is loaded. The little loading symbol. Oh, there we go. It's up and running. And there is your basic factory settings that you get when you open up or get a new iPod, I guess, except for the background maybe. I don't know why that's still on there, but I hope this helped, and if you have any comments, just leave them down below or message me. Thanks. Like, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys.